Today this is going to be a little different type of video. I'm going to show you some of the things that I have in my office where I print 3D things, and also where I gather things I need to add decals to and some new purchases. So first of all, I got these two Santa Fe express cars off of the used items on N-Scale Supply. Got them at a good price. They need to have decals, which I have put in there, and eventually I'll get around to that. I'll also, and some of you may have, and I'm going to sit down here and move closer. There's a couple of new buses that I got. I have two more coming, but I noticed that seems like the Postal Service has decided that 2 to 3 day priority mail now takes a week from wherever the heck it's coming from. So, in fact, these took, I think, about 10 days to get here from New York. And I ordered some more, some different ones from Midwest Model Railroad up in Missouri, and they're going to take a week and a day to get here. So it's supposed to be here 2-3 days. So I don't know what's going on with the Postal Service. Also, here's some of my dumpsters, some more dumpsters I've been printing. These are, pardon my hand, the closed ones. These I modified, took the tops off, so I'll be able to glue the tops in different positions. These are the ones that are partially open. That's a fully open one, both doors. And then these are going to be some junk holders behind a gas station up there in Elizabeth City. And so anyway, that's some of the stuff. I did those before I had the back surgery. Okay, here are some new items. A friend of mine, I believe he lives up in Washington State, is going to be starting some new products for his business. You can see is there Piper Craftsman kits and details, N-Scale, and he uses I believe a resin printer to do this stuff. And these items here are some cinder blocks and some tires that you can pile in different places. So that's one item that he was looking at. And this is smokestacks and vents. And there's short ones, tall ones, medium ones, etc. And then these are the large, like a large roof vent on a larger building. And then here's a couple of medium vents. All right. And then over here, he's got what they call large roof access. This is I guess the long version. Here's the doors. And then this is the one, it could be like a top of an elevator shaft. And I'll be painting these up and using these on a couple of my buildings. And then here's the smaller ones with the angled structure. Here's the doors for those, and this is called the small roof access. And then here is one that I tried to do off of Thingiverse, pallets. I cannot print 3D pallets, but on his resin printer, and they come out pretty good. And he's got some, pardon the trash here, some of the cinder blocks and some of the tires and boxes and barrels on the various pallets. And here's stacks of pallets. And so this is pallets and loads, and these come out really, really good. I'm really pleased to share these with you. But I like all his products. I gave him, he asked me for some feedback. That's how I got them. And so I'll be using these on my layout for details. And at some point, he's going to be selling these, I imagine, online. But I think more to come in the future. So with that, this will be a short video, and I'm going to do some more out in the building. I tried to do it yesterday, but after about 40 minutes, I got exhausted, so I stopped. So it's easier for me to sit inside and go over some of the stuff I have in here. So, but anyway, we'll see you next time. Bye.